So these are two of the best cocoa powders you can buy easily commercially. We have the Navitas organic brand as well as the Guittard Cocoa Rouge, which is a red cocoa powder. It is a Dutch processed cocoa powder, meaning that it is alkalized to neutralize the pH so that it doesn't react as much. It doesn't give an imbalanced reaction in your baked goods. So this is a really good cocoa powder for baking, whereas the Navitas Organic is a natural cocoa powder, meaning that it has a slightly acidic pH, so it will react a bit more when making baked goods with it. However, they're both really comparable in being a high quality cacao product. The Guittard actually has a bit higher fat level. It has 1 gram of fat per 5 grams of product, whereas the Navitas Organics has half a gram of fat for every 6 grams, so quite a lower fat content. This is also a product from the Netherlands. This is a product from San Francisco in the US. But this one I will show you has a much lighter color, so if color matters to you, this might be the product that you want to use. Unless you're looking for a darker color, this is the Guittard cocoa powder. It's got a slightly reddish tint to it. As you can see, that's why it's called the Cocoa Rouge. But they're both very powdered, easy to put into liquids and dissolve, like if you're making a hot cocoa. But this one is going to have, the Guittard is going to have a much more chocolatey, kind of already tastes a little bit like chocolate cookies or brownie flavor, whereas you're going to get a lot fruitier, lighter chocolate flavor from the Navitas Organic brand. And again, a slightly lower fat content. So depending on your needs, either one of these could be the one for you, but it just depends on what you're looking for. This is also a certified organic and fair trade product produced by a company which is a B Corp company and has a resealable bag, whereas the Guittard brand is actually kind of hard to open in my opinion. I kind of have to force it open a little bit with the end of a spoon. So depending on what you're looking for, one of these is going to suit your needs.